here you can see that I have a video on my timeline, and now let's experiment with different blur effects that are available for us to use. So over here, if we were to go to effects over here, what we can do is we can set for blur, and what happens is that all the blur effects pop up right there. So you can see that the blur effect that you see right here is for those for which the videos are not full screen like this. So now if I were to apply the basic blur right here, let's see what happens. You can see that it takes the video right there and then applies the blur over here on the background, just like this. So if you want to fill out the screen, let's say, for example, you're taking a portrait video from your mobile phone, you want to apply this effect, you can simply add in the basic blur effect right there. The other effect you have is the zoom in kind of a blur, as you can see, which gives this kind of an effect right there. The other type of blur is the blur bar right here that you can use, and you can double click to change out the settings over here as well. So you can see that as you go around and change the luminance, you can go around and change the feather, as you can see, to make it look like the way you want. You can work around with the alpha channel and so forth as well. So if I were to press OK right here, I can go back onto slant blur. So you got more of this kind of a blur effect right here. Then you have the square blur, which is actually to blur out the video itself. So you can go around and double click to increase out the size right here, just like this. And that is how it seems right here. So you can see that this is the footage itself, but over here this is the blur. You can go around with the size, you can go around with the alpha channel right here, and just like that it works around. Then you have blur 2 right here, which just uses a different sort of algorithm to blur out right here just a bit. So you can go around and work around with the alpha channel, and that is how it actually looks out. And that is how you can use the blur effect filter inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.